decided I want a donut.
Yes!
And it is ready Wednesdays too, and Grandma is always prepared. Let's go! I've already made the dough. Let's put it in a mold and make delicious donuts. Closing it and waiting. I need to make some awesome donut dough. We make them out of flour, breaking an egg in there and kneading the dough, making it round, and let's put it into hot oil and wait for it to cook. Now it's my turn. Pouring my black as my soul dough into the machine. And here it is. All that's left is to come up with the most awful design. I need to sprinkle my donuts with powdered sugar to make them not only puffy but sweet. I need to get my donuts out of oil and drizzle something cool. I'm going to use colored glaze. Oh, oops, sorry. And some sprinkles. Done! Wow, this looks cool! I want to try Wednesday's donuts first. That's really yummy! Now my grandmother. Gotta try them soon.
Yes!
Wow! Yummy! And Enid. These are so colorful! Oh yeah! Delicious! But I've decided that the winner is Wednesday! It was awesome! Now I want fries. I hope everyone's ready. Great. Get started. Grandma, give me the vegetable peeler.
Sorry.
Oh, alrighty. Oh, what is that?
We'll get through the potatoes in no time. I'll make the fastest and tastiest ones. Grandma, can you help me? Oh.
Okay, baby. Here you go.
Now let's cut all of them into little pieces and paint them all rainbow colors. Great! Throwing them into the pan and… perfect! Let's put it on a plate in the shape of a rainbow, so Cam will definitely like it. Grandma, what do you think?
Nice!
It's perfect, Enid. My fries are ready too. Let's try them now. Oh, let's put it right over here. And some ketchup. Grandma's already got everything ready. Oh, thank you, thank you. What does Wednesday have? I'm just about to be done. I need to put it on a plate and paint it the right color.
Cool!
That's horrible.
Nice!
Enid? Oh, okay, calm down.
Wow, that's a lot of fries! I definitely want to try this one. Rainbow fries look so cute. Let's check out its teeth. Not bad.
Okay.
So, what is next? These are regular fries. Let's see. Wow, delicious! Black fries? That's unusual. Let's taste it. Ew, gross! Granny's are the most delicious ones! You're the winner! Granny, wake up! I finished my drawing and I want some pasta. Awesome! Let's get cooking!
I'm going to start with my spaghetti.
And I'll make my own spaghetti. Oh, it makes me want to sneeze! Oh, I'm all in flour. Excuse me. Oops. Let's get cooking. I'm gonna play around first. Oh, well, okay, that's enough. I'm gonna need the most perfect dough. Oh, it's beautiful. Now we'll roll out a couple of equal rounds from it. And now the most interesting thing. Coloring. In all your favorite colors. We'll let each piece go through a special machine and my rainbow noodles are ready. Awesome.
Are my noodles ready? Great. I'll just have to put it all on a plate. Oh, I can't see anything. Oh, where's my eyesight? Where's the ketchup? Oh, what am I doing? Oh, thank you. Oh! Oh no! Not the right one! Oh, that's better. Ketchup and spaghetti. Thanks, Enid. Wednesday, what about you? I got my spaghetti cooked. I need to put it on a plate and dye them black. Oh, Hand, thank you. You always help me out. I'm definitely gonna need something else. That's exactly what I wanted. Let's put those fingers in there and some ketchup on top. Oh, it's scary. Oh, it definitely is. But my noodles are ready too. Done! Wow, what is that? Oh, this is very scary. Oh, no, I don't want that. Let's try the spaghetti first. Wow, yummy! What's in here? Wow, rainbow pasta. Cool! This is unbelievably delicious. Enid, you win! Really? Oh, thank you, sis. What? Now, I want some cacao. Can you make it? Sure. The easiest thing. While you're talking, I'm already starting. Pouring some cacao and milk into one spot and mixing it. Now straight into the mug. Done! Grandma, you really are the best. Oh, I'm going to make some chocolate cacao. And I'm gonna have the color too. It's so delicious. We put chocolate in a saucepan and melt it. We need to add more sugar to make it sweet.
Stop!
Oh, okay, Grandma. I'll put a little bit. See? Just a drop of sugar. She's not looking now. Great. Let's pour everything in. Kim will love it. Enid, I turned my back for a minute. Oh, that's right. I'm gonna move on. Oh, milk. I can't open it. Oh, come on. No! All the milk is spilled out. But there's enough for cacao. Delicious frosting. Decorating the glass so Kim's sure to have a yummy, yummy treat. Some cacao, some whipped cream, and a bunch of candy. Done. How do you like my drink?
Cool.
Oh, thanks, Grandma. You guys are so cute. I'm grossed out. I'll be serving cacao in a skull glass.
Oh, no.
Granny, how do you like it? Scared you. Great. I need milk, cacao, and some blood. It's just syrup. Now we pour everything into the glass. Great. There should definitely be black cream and some yummy sprinkles on top. I'm all set.
Oh, no!
Let's hear Kim's opinion. So many cool things! I want to start with the cacao from Wednesday. It's so red, just like my hair. And this one is from my granny. Yummy! And this rainbow drink is definitely Enid's. It's delicious! And the winner is... Oh, tough choice. But... Enid! Here comes the prize. A chocolate fountain. And here comes the special marker. No hands, please. You can't touch the markers. Ready? Time is on.
Come on!
We've got to grab the markers with our teeth. That's a challenge. Oh, I got it. Whoa. Oh. Wait, what? They're almost done drawing. Gotta hurry up. I'm the best at drawing. That's right.
Nice.
This is so challenging, but I'm trying really hard. Okay, nice and careful. It's not really working. I have an idea. I'll try drawing like this. Let's go. I'm gonna fall. That's it. It's not funny. I'll show you.
I've got an idea. I'll take a feather and tickle her nose until she sneezes. My drawing! It's not funny! Take that!
Oh, that's so gross! Oh, the drool! It's stained my masterpiece!
I'm gonna ruin your drawing too!
Well! Look at that! Time is up!
Look at my drawing!
What a terrible thing! And this one is even worse. Well, not bad. I guess you can take the price. There you go.
A real chocolate fountain!
It's so yummy.
We want to try too! Let's do this! Oh, it's so good! It's delicious! Hey! Oh, what a cute little doggy! Ew, that's poop!
Let's get started. Time is on.
Easy, I can do that. Okay, let's get started. Here's an idea. Smell my foot. Yep, it's a strong scent. And I'm going to paint with my toes this time. There we go.
And I'm going to draw with my elbows.
Come on!
Huh? Oh! Oh, my marker's gone. Have to get a new one right away. Oh, but it's hard. Monica's already drawn everything.
Ready? Time's up. Show me your masterpieces. So. Wow! Great job!
Hey!
Where am I? Oh, the drawing. Right. Could you please? How is it?
Horrible. Take the poo.
Oh, no. But why? It's so disgusting. I'm gonna have to taste it.
Gross!
Oh. Wait, this is delicious. Chocolate. I will eat the whole poop. Great. Do you want a piece? Do you want a piece? All right, I'll have more.
And now, a new task awaits you. Draw a fish.
Gross!
And you'll paint it with sauces. Good luck. Yum. Time is on.
I will open the cheese sauce first. That'll work for yellow. And now red, green, white. All right, we are good to go. Oh, sorry, that was an accident. It's time to get started. I'll take ketchup. It has a rich red color.
Awesome!
And the texture is just right. Yes! Wasabi sauce is perfect for my fish. Oops, not enough paint for my masterpiece. I'll have to get another color. Red. That works, too. Yeah, now this color. And this color. Ugh, it's beautiful. Great. A fish coming right up. I can't get anything. Oh, I know what to do. To speed things up, I'm using all 5 of my fingers. I'm a brilliant artist.
Wow!
Oh, it smells so good. I have to try it.
A little bit won't work.
It's too good.
Yes?
Oh, yeah.
That is so delicious!
Ew. Yes.
Oh, what is happening? Oh no! My drawing is ruined!
Time's up! Show me your drawings! Oh, that's very good. That is bad. Why didn't you draw anything?
Hey.
Get a rotten fish!
Oh, this smells so bad! It's just horrible! Ew. Oh, I have an idea.
Are you ready?
Let's fry it up! Oh, I think it's a little too much. Sorry. Let's start heating it up. Alrighty, ready to eat. It's a real delicacy. Truly amazing.
You see this little cutie?
Are you ready?
It's time to draw a kitten.
Okay.
But on your faces. Time to start. Meow. Let's go.
Okay.
Oh, I love kittens.
Oh.
The nose is done. Now let's add the cat whiskers
Oh.
and ears.
Oh.
I would make a great kitten. 5 seconds and
Cool.
it's done. There we go. And I'm gonna use an eyeliner on my eyes. And definitely on my face. I'm an expert in makeup.
Uh-oh.
Look at her! That's not fair! Since she's a cat, let's cure her with water! Let's wash all of her cool makeup! Oh yeah, let's do this! Oh! Oh no! Why did you do that? My makeup is ruined! That was fun! I have an idea. Hey, Lily. You're not doing a very good job on your makeup.
Oh.
Let me help you. Try again. Okay. This one here, this one there. All right, done. You look great. Like a kitten. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Are you ready?
Time is up. Let me see your face. Oh, goodness. It's really scary. And this is a nightmare. It doesn't look like a cat at all.
What?
Monica, you did the best. I'll have to give you this cutie.
He's so adorable. Oh, I think I'm allergic. It's okay, Monica. We'll take care of him.
Oh.
So, what do we have here? A Happy Meal! Ew, that's gross. These fries are amazing. I love them. It's just wonderful. They're so good. Oh, yeah!
Oh.
I could put fries in a chocolate fountain. I wonder how it's going to taste like. This must be really good. Oh, yeah. Delicious. It's a great flavor. Why don't we just dip the whole pack at once? And now I got some great chocolate fries. Yum! Oh, that's so impolite. Done. That was awesome. You've eaten everything? No, I also have a burger, and I'm going to dip that in chocolate too. It's so good! Chocolate and a chocolate burger. Amazing! Magnificent! It's so good! It's impossible to tear yourself away. Oh, you're lucky. I have disgusting feet. Go ahead and eat them. Oh, they're gross, but they're fun. I'm going to play with them. Oh, it's so nice. What? Oh no! Get it away from me! Oh, gross! Here's the fountain. Go ahead and eat it. Okay, I'll have to. Really nasty chicken feed.
I hope chocolate makes it a little better.
Oh no!
Ew! It's so disgusting! That was awful.
I wonder what I got this time. Oh no.
Wait! It's Chupa Chups! And it's so huge! I'm going to dip it in chocolate. Oh yeah. It's going to be so delicious. I can already feel that.
But there's something missing.
I know. Of course, sprinkles. Let's dip it all over and lick it off. That's awesome.
Look, what's there?
I'm going to add some lemon to this. Wait, there's nothing. Why are you saying that? Oh, what a disgusting flavor. What on earth is that? Did you make this?
Okay, I'll eat mine now. Disgusting! Maybe chocolate will fix the flavor. Or maybe not. I'm ready for it. Oh, super sour lemons! Oh no, a nightmare! That's so awful! There's one less left. The sourest of them all.
And I'm done with my Chupa Chups. It was quite tasty. And there's gum.
That was fun.
Let me open it. Ew. That's horrible fish. What a nightmare. I'm not eating that. What do you have?
I hope something tasty. Oh yes, it's a hot dog. I'll just take it from you. No, eat your fish.
It's completely raw. And it smells awful.
Oh, what a nightmare. Such a horrible smell. I thought of something. I got a clothespin. I'll close my nose and not feel a thing.
I'll dip it in a fountain, but fish and chocolate is certainly not a treat. I'm going to have to try a bite out of this nasty stuff. I'll just eat it all the way. That's awful.
Well, oh, wait. Oh, no! That's disgusting! Don't do that! Oops, I'm sorry. Oh, whatever. I'm going to dip my hot dog in chocolate. It should be delicious. I'll eat it just like you. But it's going to be awesome, and I'll enjoy it. Unbelievably good. Oh, yeah.
I wish I hadn't seen that. And bite. Oh my god.
Come on. I'm going to open it. Oh, no. It's lemon and oysters? Oysters with chocolate? It's terrible. What do you have?
Oh yeah, I've got marshmallows. It's the perfect combination. Marshmallows and chocolate. And some sprinkles. Let's pour it right on top. Wow! Oh, the flavor is unbelievable. This is wonderful. Now your turn.
Oh, that's so gross. I'll dip it in chocolate. Maybe there'll be a better flavor from that, but of course it's still gross. Okay, I'm gonna have to eat it. Ew, it's horrible. I'm going to faint.
Amazing. Come on.
Okay, I'll put two under the fountain at once. I want to get rid of this nasty taste in my mouth as soon as possible. Yeah, that's the grossest thing I've probably ever eaten. Oh, I can't eat it anymore. It's disgusting. What about you?
I've already finished mine.
Well? Oh no! onion, but it's still horrible.
Let's see what I have. M&M's cookies! Wonderful! Oh, they smell incredible. I'm going to dip one cookie in chocolate and see what flavor I get. Oh, it is amazing.
Oh, give me one to try, please.
No, it's your onion. And I'm going to enjoy this great flavor of wonderful cookies. Now, I'll dip 2 at once. That is great! It's a wonderful, delicious flavor. Awesome, such a treat.
Oh, please share some.
Oh, no.
Guess I'll have to eat my onion. Oh, it smells awful. Maybe I'll just lick the chocolate off.
And no one is gonna notice.
Okay, I'll bite into it. Oh, this is so gross.
It's really awful.
I'm going to cry.
Here, get some tissues, and lots of them.
Thank you. I could really use them right now. Oh, it's pretty awful. And the chocolate didn't fix the problem. Ew. Wait, what is that?
Are you doing okay? What's wrong with you?
Oh, that's it. Sorry.